In this video, I'll show you how to create the 1980s AI filter trend video on TikTok. So as you can see, this filter basically takes your picture and turns it into a 1980 photo. So if you want to create this kind of video trend, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you need to first make sure you have TikTok and Capcut installed on your mobile phone. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it from there. Now, once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here, you're searching for AI 80s look. Now, within that search results, you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend. So, for example, all of these are doing the trend. So go ahead and tap on any of them. Now, within those videos, you're looking for this button here, Capcut 80s AI filter. This will be just above the username. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now this will show you the template which you're going to use. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will show you the template again. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select a photo from your phone library. Then tap on Next. This will now automatically create the trend video for you and will show it to you here. And now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now, since this is a template which you're using, the sound will be automatically added to the video. All you need to do is add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. And there you go. That is how to create the 1980s AI filter trend video on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.